Mr. Shankar, President of the Shanmugana Sabha, Mr. Parameshwaran, Convener of the Medical Society, Mrs. Vardachari, Dr. Shetty, Dr. Gora, and Usha Ramanujam, and friends. I am greatly honored to be here to inaugurate my good friend Dr. Vardachari Memorial CME program from today. Dr. Vardachari and myself, we were in the same medical college, and I know him for the last almost half a century. Much nearer home, his brother, late Dr. Ketnaswamy, and my father, and my brother Shankar were contemporaries in medical practice in Matanga, and we have had excellent relations with the family. His son Atul happened to be my student at the Sion Hospital, so that brought the relation between our families much closer. And every time I used to come to the Shanmugananda program, I used to sit in some of the back rows. He used to sit in the front rows. He used to come and meet me and always talk in a very humorous way and cheer me up and talk of good things, talk for 5 minutes, and that made my day. If I remember correctly, this center was started by Dr. Raghavan, who was my teacher, taken over to great heights by Dr. Vardachari, who was there for more than 21 years. I was told that before his unfortunate death 3 or 4 months back, he had plans for the next 5 years, how to improve the existing facilities, how to offer more facilities, open more departments, and be of general help to the public. Unfortunately, the cruel death came suddenly. I expected him to live for at least 95 years because he had a long family history of longevity, including his brother. So I was very confident, but somehow the death snatched him away from us. The work done in the medical center, I was quite impressed. That is why before the lecture I told Sadanand, I'd like to see at least the dialysis center. I was pleasantly surprised that it's so clean, so neat, it can beat any 5-star hospital as far as the cleanliness is concerned, which is extremely important for any medical activity, particularly the dialysis center, where the infection chance is much more. As you all know that patients with kidney disease are more prone to infection, and I'm very, very happy. And they've got 10 machines, they want to increase it to 14. I'm sure they will definitely do that with the dynamic presidentship of Mr. Shankar, Mr. Parameshwaran, Dr. Shetty will be there, and the support of Jamuna Vardachari, who has been very helpful, even organizing the CME programs. I remember I come here on 2 or 3 occasions. She is always there in the front, organizing, helping Dr. Vardachari. The medical center also has this ophthalmic division, the physiotherapy and other departments, and I was told they are going to expand it still further, having a diabetic department and so on and so forth. I am sure they will rise to much greater heights. We have a young student of mine, Dr. Sadanand Shetty, whom I have great hopes in, and I am sure he will take it to greater heights. But remember, Sadanand, that Dr. Vardachari set up a very high standards. It is going to require a lot of hard work on your part to achieve those targets. I am sure you'll try to exceed that and bring solace and happiness to the public and the other segments of the society. The CME program today is very relevant to the situation, as Mr. Shankar pointed out. Mr. Shankar, it's very difficult to speak after Mr. Shankar's speech because it's almost like telling the last man in to score 10 runs when the opener has scored a double century and remains not out. But nevertheless, I'll try to achieve at least to some extent what he has given. Statistics galore, He can talk on philosophy, he can talk on medicine, he can talk on statistics, he can talk on culture, he can talk in Sanskrit, he can talk in English, beautiful, he can talk in Tamil, he can talk in India. I don't know how many other languages he knows. Today's program, of course, is for the prevention, as he rightly pointed out. Prevention is the most important part of the treatment. Prevention of disease, as he correctly pointed out, diabetes. And I should also mention here that India will have the very bad distinction of being the HIV capital of the world in the near future, which I hope my information becomes wrong, but this is what it is. Hypertension, of course, you know, diabetes, you know, premature ischemic heart disease, you know. So we have got all the diseases of the Western civilization as well as our Eastern civilization, tuberculosis, MDR tuberculosis and so on and so forth. So prevention is a very important part of the CME programs, and I must confess here, and I must tell Sadanand that whenever there is a CME program, I am always available for this CME program. Whether it is Sunday, Monday, any day, just tell me in advance, I will be ready. I will come and actively take part. With this, I am very happy to inaugurate late Dr. Vardachari's CME program today, and I'm sure all of you will enjoy the program and take home good memories of the knowledge imparted by our eminent speakers today. I think Dr. Vora has come. We are expecting Dr. Maulik, Dr. Brian Pinto, Sal Shetty is already here, and I'm sure you enjoy this program. Thank you very much for a very patient hearing.